What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. I just want to give you guys a video about 1 week later using Firsty as a side service to go along with TextNow's free flex plan, and it's a great companion backup eSIM service when you have unlocked devices that support the eSIM technology inside these smartphones, whether you have an iPhone, a Samsung, or a Pixel, or OnePlus, or Motorola, or a TCL, which I'm recording from right now. How does it work? Of course, you go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You download the application. You follow the on screen connectivity. It's gonna, give you step by step how to do it. Just follow the 1, 2, 3 steps. Install the eSIM. There's a possibility you might have to turn on data roaming or just data period, just in case you don't see it connecting or you don't have any service or anything like that. Also, another thing you will want to do is hit the make sure after you get it fully installed that you have the option free. That's the one you want to get on. You want to get on the free. And how this work is basically it gives you 30 minutes of data. Okay, similar to what TextNow does with the data pass, except with TextNow, you have to make sure you already have like some type of Wi-Fi connectivity before you get their data, and it's a 1 hour, 1 hour plus the points. So you have to have a certain amount of points with TextNow. But with Firsty, all you need is to watch one ad. You get 30 minutes of data. And what this data pertains is, you could use your instant messaging, like all your instant messaging, not just talking text. You could use your WhatsApp, your Telegram, you can use your Facebook Messenger, you can use Instagram DMs, you can use your Twitter DMs, you can use TikTok if you do that. So you can do those instant messaging with all those apps and whatever other messaging apps that you have. Also, you can still do the emailing. That's included in the free 30 minutes time and data, free data. Uber, you could definitely use Uber, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it said you could use Uber even without the service. I'm about to go back and reread it on the website. But yeah, so it's basically it's giving you more open with the web and more options. You can you could surf a little bit, but you're throttled down to 256 kilobytes per second, and that's still borderline 2G. What have you? But it's free. Okay, it's free. I mean, yeah, text messaging is important. Messaging is important. You want to instant message, So with Firsty and adding this along with the TextNow free flex plan, it will work. Okay, it will work and make you feel like you got limited service. But the thing is, you have to remember to switch off the TextNow SIM or eSIM and turn on Firsty. And then after you do that, you have to go back into the Firsty application and hit the free 30 minutes, watch an ad, and then it'll kick in. Now, sometimes you might have a little glitch here or there. Basically, just go back into the app, open the app back open, make sure you see the free 30 minutes, tap on the free 30 minutes, watch the ad, and it should kick in. If that doesn't happen, it'll alert you saying you're offline. Turn on airplane mode, turn it off, toggle it on, toggle it off, and see if the service kick back in, and then you back up and running. Now, who's this for? This is for people that depends on Wi-Fi all the time, but when they're away from Wi-Fi, just for like a little bit. Maybe you going to the mall or something, or you trying to meet somebody at the mall and you're leaving the house or something like that. You will turn on Firsty. Okay, you will turn on Firsty because it's 100% free. I mean, all you're doing is watching one ad. You got free service. It doesn't come with a phone number, so keep that in mind. So you might want to download the TextNow app, or if you're on iPhone, make sure people using your iCloud email account to message you things in that sort, or if you got WhatsApp or something like that, Telegram, you use Telegram. Most of these messaging apps do need either an email login or your phone number anyway. So highly recommend to have a backup phone number. Google Voice. Google Voice even works on here. So keep all that in mind. This application is 100% for free. You can download it. The thing is, your phone needs to be unlocked, and you have to have eSIM. Okay, so this is the only way it's going to work. You have to have eSIM on your phone, and your phone needs to be running on all the major networks: T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. So will I recommend this? I will only recommend it if you are not, if you truly depend on TextNow too much to do everything, and it's just certain things you really need. I say use this for those needs. Like I said, instant messaging, like your WhatsApp, your Telegrams, because that's not bundled in with the TextNow Free Flex plan. Okay? But you do get iHeartRadio with TextNow. And I mean, you can still stream, you can still listen to music on the Firsty application too. I mean, not the app, but the service. You can still use your tune-ins. You can still use your iHeartRadios. Just remember though, it does count. It does count against the data, so your data might slow down and you stream a lot. But you still can't do the whatchamacallit. You still can't, YouTube. You still can't do the Netflix and stuff like that unless you already got videos and stuff already installed on your phone, downloaded on your mobile device. And also, this does work on tablets with eSIM. So it works on my Razer Edge 5G. I will do another video demonstrating that. It works on my Razer Edge 5G. Firsty is compatible with the Razer Edge 5G. So keep that in mind too. All right, so, but like I said, if you're on TextNow or you're on another freemium plan and you want a backup service with eSIM capabilities, check it to Firsty, okay? Check it to Firsty. Like I said, you don't have to pay for anything. You just watch one ad, and then you get like 30 minutes of free service. So, but this is basically a backup usage. But it's a good companion with the TextNow service for those on TextNow and using the eSIM on TextNow with the TextNow service. I say go ahead, take a look into Firsty. Dive deep into it a little bit. Come back to my YouTube channel. Give me some of your thoughts about it. But like I said, I recommend it. I recommend it for what it's worth. Like I said, you using WhatsApp, Telegram, all that stuff like that. Discord, even Discord works. Also, your gaming apps work. So you got Nintendo Switch, you got the Nintendo app, Xbox, your Xbox app will work on here. So keep all those things in mind. Yeah, and you know what? You can actually write your blogs. You can even write your blogs. You can use WordPress. You can use Blogger. You can use this other one called Substack. So you can blog, whatever. Y'all give me y'all thoughts in the comment section below.